Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose for making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty index spot on multiple time frames, and we would be framing a view for tomorrow, 9th June. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list as well. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So here you will see that for 10th June weekly expiry contract, the max pain level has remained at 15,700, which suggests that highest amount of calls and puts have been written at 15,700 strike overall. And if market was to expire on 10th June at 15,700 level, in that scenario, call and put option buyers of 15,700 strike will suffer huge losses, as the premium which they paid for the 15,700 strike calls and put options, they would be worth zero on expiry day. If we see the overall open interest data for 10th June weekly expiry contract, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 15,800 strike, followed by 15,900 strike. So the resistance for the index based on open interest data suggests that resistance currently lies at 15,900 to the upside. And if we see the calls, if we see the puts, highest amount of puts have been written at 15,700 strike, followed by 15,600 strike. So going forward, 15,600 is likely to act as a strong support for the index, and the index is currently trading in a 300-point range with 15,600 to the downside and 15,900 to the upside. And if you were to see the change in open interest during the intraday today, you will see that highest amount of calls were written at 15,800 strike, followed by 15,850 strike. And if you see the puts, highest amount of puts have been written at 15,100 strike, followed by 15,600 strike. And you will also be seeing out of the money puts 14,600, 14,700, 14,800, 14,900, 15,200, 15,300. They saw their open interest reduce, which tells us that put option buyers, they book their losses, and put option writers in these out of the money put strikes, they book their profits. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, you will see on the monthly time frame market is under control of buyers, as it is trading above the monthly open 15,629. If we see the weekly time frame, you will see that market is currently under control of buyers, as it is trading above 15,725 levels. And if you were to see the daily time frame, here you will see today we had a conflict. That is, on the daily time frame market was under control of sellers, as it was trading below the daily open. And if we see the structure, today's low was 15,680 and yesterday's low was 15,678. So in terms of price structure, we are still making a higher high and a higher low, which suggests that currently market is in an uptrend. And based on the price structure, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 15,740 levels, we can trade towards 15,778. Beyond that, we can trade towards 15,804 levels and potentially 15,838 levels. And below 15,680 levels, which was today's low, we can trade towards 15,654, 15,620 levels and potentially 15,582 levels, and which corroborates with the open interest data, which suggests that 15,600 is likely to act as a strong support going forward. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is going to be 15,740 to 15,680, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen have formed inside candles on the daily time frame today. So the first stock is Castrol Industries. Here you will see that we have formed an inside candle today, but we are in an uptrend based on the moving averages as it is trading above both the 20-day and the 5-day exponential moving average. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 152.85 levels with a normal size, and aggressive traders, they can look for selling opportunities as well below 148 levels on half the normal position size. Next stock is Reliance. It is again in an uptrend based on the moving averages, and today it formed an inside candle. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 2227.2 levels with a normal size, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 2198 levels with half our normal size. And our third stock is Burger King. It has formed an inside candle today, and the trend for Burger King is in up as it is trading above both 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. Talking about Burger King, I am getting hungry right now, and I definitely would want to eat a Burger King today. Anyways, if for buying opportunity, we can buy Burger King above 166.4 level with a normal position size, or we can look for selling opportunity below 160 with half our normal size. And our last stock is Religare. It is again in an uptrend, and today it formed an inside candlestick. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 154.8 with normal size, and a shorting opportunity below 137.9 levels with half a normal size. So inside candles, they are formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers, and we would be looking to establish position if either side of the range breaks. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 15,740 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,838 levels, and below 15,680 levels, we can trade towards 15,582 levels. And broadly speaking, we're in a range of 15,900 to the upside and 15,600 to the downside on the index. And the maximum level has remained the same today at 15,700. And our stock watch list comprises of Religare, Burger King, Reliance, and Castrol Industries. And we have discussed our entry points earlier in this video. And I like to remind you that I would be posting a blog post as well as sharing that blog post on Twitter and our WhatsApp group. Uh, that watch list would be long or short biased watch list, and it would be comprising of sectors that are currently outperforming the index or underperforming the index. Like currently, IT sector, media, and energy stocks, they are outperforming, while PSU banking stocks and metals, they are underperforming. So do stay tuned for our long short bias watch list, which I would be posting around 9:45 in the evening. And finally, I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.